It's day 92. I'm gonna have to make this fast because I have a doctor's appointment today and I didn't get my labs done, so I kind of have to. Although, I don't know if I was supposed to get labs done, but I probably needed to get them done. So I'm gonna leave really early. I'm gonna leave my house at 5:45 so I can make it to the lab. So I'm gonna make the workout short, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna take a quick walk, then I'm gonna get ready and go. I just try to do at least something, and I've got an exercise class later on tonight. All right, let's see the dogs. There's Katami. Hey, there's one dog. There's Cat. There's Kong. There's Hershey. Hershey's not doing too well. All right. Let me try to get these dogs outside. There's my Hershey. He is. I gave him his medicine first thing. Now I gotta try to get everybody fed. There's Kong. And there's Katami. Over there's my Hershey. I'm by the refrigerator, so he's gonna rally. Alright, let me get you guys some food. Kong, be quiet. Well, I'm not gonna make it to the lab on time. While I was standing over guard with Katami, I was actually gonna upload the video and I was typing the description. And I noticed that Hershey had left a little present last night, so I had to go clean that up. Then I noticed that nobody took out the garbage to the curb, so I had to do that. And then I noticed that the dishwasher wasn't started last night, so I did that. And then I noticed that there were a lot of like dirty kitchen towels and stuff like that, so I put that load of laundry in. Then I looked at the clock and I was like, well shit, you might as well get out in the garage and do another set of your exercises. So I'm gonna do that. It's like close to 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since about 4:30 My alarm went off at 4:15, but I stayed in bed for a little bit. Because technically I only need to get labs done every 6 months, but I go to the doctor every 3 months, so I think if I miss the labs this time, it'll be okay. Alright, gonna see how the coffee is. And I'll show you the doggies. Here's my little brother, husband, and sister wife. Technically they are Kong, be quiet. They are half siblings, I guess. They were born in different litters. But they have, hey, get out of his face. They had the same dad, different moms. Do you want to go outside, Kong? Yeah, okay. That's my little Bubby Hershey. The other two dogs went outside. He's not feeling it right now. He's really not doing good. So, but he's not coughing right now. He had like a lot of coughing fits yesterday, so. But he's panting like he was running around, and he just got up from a laying down position. So, poor little guy. You my good boy? Are you my bestest boy? You're my best boy. He loves his ear scritches. And yes, he has a tumor on his head. I don't care about the cosmetic stuff, though. I just care about how he's feeling. He's my bubby.